Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys. So again, I am back and I'm about to be pushing out videos. You're about to get sick of seeing spoiler videos. So anyways, guys, we do have some spoilers for the Ipsy March Plus box. And as for the comments, as soon as I get these few videos out, we'll start back with the comments. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all. First of all, let's look at the plus bag. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It looks like a classic clutch purse. So first, guys, I'm going to show you some of the spoilers, and then I'm going to show you all the choice items, which you know what that is. You get to choose one of those products. So let's get started, y'all. So first up is the Hey Honey Trick and Treat Active Pro Polish Cream Concealer in the shade Light to Medium and Deep. Next up is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. And then we have the Mayel Beauty Skin Therapy Facial Oil. So the next items I'm going to show y'all, these are going to be choice items. And you know choice items are also spoilers as well. So the first thing is the Malin and Goats Revitalizing Eye Gel. And then we have the Balm Auto Balm Palette. This is the Picture Perfect Palette or Pick Perf Palette. Then next is another Auto Balm Palette by the Balm. This is the Day to Night Palette. And then we have one more of those Auto Balm palettes by the Balm. This is the Girl Powder Palette. Now next up, another choice item and spoiler is the Complex Culture Precision Concealer Brush. And then we have the $1 Billion Brow Butter Pomade Kit in the shade Taupe. And then we have the Yensa Super 8 Lip Oil in pink. Then we have the $1 Billion Brow 60 Second to Beautiful Brow Kit in the shade Taupe. Then we have Phase Zero Makeup Matte Liquid Lipstick in Undercover. And last but certainly not least is the Gleam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. So guys, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. And guys, please double check your subscribe button. Make sure you are still subscribed because you know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people. So if you would double check that. And if you haven't, why the hell not? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. Just go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but y'all are going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. Now, guys, I wanted to add this in here again. I'm doing this in every video because I want to make it clear how much I appreciate y'all. I want to thank everybody that has donated to my PayPal. I do want to thank everybody that has watched the few videos that I have put out this month and just supported my channel that way. I mean, I couldn't be more grateful for you guys, and I love you. And I'll see y'all in the next one, guys.